I ask Father God to forgive all my sins and the sins of my father, my mother, and my family, the Bagus family and the Hanoyan family. I ask for forgiveness for my sins, the Jewish community, the Roman Catholic Church, and the government of the Philippines. I ask forgiveness from my community. I ask forgiveness for my sins from corporations and companies. I ask forgiveness on behalf of all mankind. Forgiveness from the Buddha and from Buddhist temples. I ask forgiveness for my sins from Allah and from the Muslim community. I ask forgiveness for my sins from the whole Catholic Christian community. I ask forgiveness for my sins from my ancestors and forefathers. I ask forgiveness for my sins from friends and family. Forgive me, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Forgive me, President Rodrigo Duterte. Forgive me, President Benigno Aquino III. Forgive me, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Forgive me, President Joseph Estrada. Forgive me, President Fidel Ramos. Forgive me, President Corazon Aquino. Forgive me, President Ferdinand Marcos. Forgive me, our beloved Pope. Forgive me, Pope Leo. Forgive me, Pope Francis. Forgive me, Pope Benedict. Forgive me, Pope John Paul. Forgive me, King Emperor. Forgive me, Acros, engineers, technicians, and architects. I am innocent, a civilian who has never used dark magic, yet I have been falsely accused and punished as though I were evil, Lucifer, or a Satanist. I am a human being, an infant not by age, and not an engineer. I have no means to harm anybody. I love my family and I miss them. I am Jeffrey Hanoyan Bagus, and I ask forgiveness for all my sins, for my soul, for my body, for my life is suffering extremely. Thank you for your forgiveness. May God bless us all.